Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, there is a little something that Microsoft has acknowledged today. If you are using System Restore to go to an earlier restore point on your PC, what's happening is that there is a flaw that actually creates a problem. So if you go and choose restore points to go back in time, there are some apps that might stop working. Microsoft has acknowledged there is a problem. There are specific apps that use a module that is in Windows. So it could be apps like Notepad, Microsoft Office, and so on. What happens is once you do the restore to that previous time, when you start the app, you will have a crash, you'll have error messages, and so on. Not every app and every program is affected. It's really specific apps, mostly Windows-related or Microsoft-related apps. So what is the problem? Of course, they're checking out and they're going to try to fix it in a future bug-fixing update. But for now, if you do have apps that don't start because you did a restore with the system restore, what they actually recommend is that you just reinstall the app. So if it's a Microsoft app, for example, like Notepad and so on, what you could do is go to the Microsoft Store, reinstall it from the store, and that will fix the problem. If it's an app that is not from the store, just reinstall it from wherever you download that app and reinstall the apps. Everything should be fine. They are saying that sometimes restarting the app 2 or 3 times might also be a fix. So before you reinstall, you might want to try to restart the app 2 or 3 times. And of course, there's also the Windows Update. They say sometimes some apps with a Windows Update might actually do a fix from that. But if all fails, if something is wrong, your apps don't start after a system restore, just reinstall the apps. They'll be fine after the reinstall. So Microsoft does acknowledge that the system restore points right now are breaking some apps within Windows when you try to go back in time. So this is something that they've just acknowledged. I don't know how long this has been going on, but to acknowledge, that means there's quite a lot of people that have been complaining about the system restore problems they've been having. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.